Hey guys, this is Oliver here with Zen Crypto. Today I just want to do a quick market update. Look at the charts. As you can see, we've had a bit of a pullback. Is it cause for concern? Are we plunging into the crypto abyss? Is it time to sell everything in panic? Or are we merely just having a pullback? Let's take a look. All right, let's dive into the charts here. We have Bitcoin on the 4-hour. And if you watch my previous video, I showed that Bitcoin hit the 200-day moving average, which is the first time that happened since late December of last year. And now we've had a bit of a sell-off. I said that Bitcoin was in a make or break kind of situation. Is it going to hold and retest the 200, or are we going to head down to the 43K support line? And as you can see, the low was 42,714, so just under my target of 43K. And now it's deciding if it wants to go further or if we're going to have upside swing, move up and retest the 200-day moving average. A few things I see. We see oversold on the RSI on the 4-hour, which is a good sign of reversal, buying pressure coming back into the market here soon. Even on the 8-hour, we're quite oversold. So I do think that we're near the bottom here. We might come down and test the 50-day moving average, but I am overall positive in the market. And it's not just from the technicals, it's also from the news that I'm seeing here. As I said before, we have Bitcoin outflows from multiple exchanges, and this historically shows a price hike is imminent. What you can see here is all of the exchanges, the major exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, etc. We're seeing an outflow of Bitcoin from the exchange, which is a bullish sign, confidence in the market from buyers. Not only just that, but we have the third largest Bitcoin wallet of $5.5 billion is jumping back into the market, accumulating 3,241 Bitcoin in just one day. So that these people know what they're doing more than most, and I trust they have their thumb on the pulse of the market. So more bullishness there. And finally, if we look at historically the month of April, Bitcoin does very well. In fact, Bitcoin in April for Bitcoin is the second highest performing month on average, only second to November. So you can see here, historically, April has done very well, dating back from the beginning, with only 2 red months, 2 red years from 2015, 2021, and even those rednesses are quite light. So I'm optimistic for this month. There's a lot going on in the space as we continue to evolve, and I think we're going to have a really beautiful spring and summer here. A few more charts. ETH BTC, it's just playing out. As I said, might cool off a little bit, and it did to that degree. And now we are back in the ring, looking good. What else? My SHIB trade sold off a bit. It's okay. Still holding on. We're now on the 50-day moving average of support. We'll see how that plays out. Everything else, not too much movement, just a little bit of a relief bounce, following the trend here of Bitcoin. Bitcoin caught the bounce, so now everything tends to bounce with it. And that's really it, guys. Not too much. I don't want to waste too much of your time today. I know you're busy. I just want to give a brief market update, see what's happening in the space. And for me, there's no cause for alarm. This is a typical market movement. Once again, my name is Oliver. If you like the channel, drop some comments, some likes, and hit a subscribe. I do twice weekly news updates as well as tutorials and other things in the space. Hope to see you on the next video. Ciao.